Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold this origami grizzly bear, and yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite designs that I've made, and it's really fun to fold. So with that being said, grab some paper and let's get folding. Alright, so for this bear I used a big 10-inch square of paper, white side up. This model is medium level complexity, so yeah, it's in the middle. Alright, so let's diagonally fold in half. Alright, now unfold and do the same in the other direction. Alright, now let's unfold. And now we want to do a kite base. So let's valley fold the edge up to the center line. Let's unfold and let's repeat on the other side. Alright, and then now we want to fold this point to this point, and the crease should go through this intersection. So let's valley fold up. And then unfold. And then you want to do the same on the other side, so fold the top point to this point down here. Alright, and unfold, and then now you want to make a fold between these 2 points, so let's valley fold this down. Okay, and then now you want to reverse fold this side along the existing creases, and reverse this side also along the existing creases. And now we have the beginnings of our base. Alright, now let's valley fold this point to this point. And then let's valley fold this edge down to this edge. And then unfold. And then you want to reverse fold it inside. Like that, and then do the same on this side. Alright, now let's valley fold this up, and do the same on this side. And let's unfold, and let's reverse both of them inside. So there's one, and there's the other. Alright, now what we want to do is unwrap the corner. We want to free it. So let's open this up and let's just peel it outwards like that. And collapse it along the existing creases. So put those inside and just flatten it like that. So the model should look like this, and that will become the head. Alright, now let's work on the front legs. So for that, let's turn over. And now what you want to do is you want to fold this edge up to this crease right here. And then now you want to valley fold kind of along the existing crease, because there's a crease there but there wasn't one here. And then now you want to valley fold this edge up to this crease. Like that. And then now let's unfold that all. And then we just want to reverse, reverse, reverse. So all on the existing creases. So let's open this up and just reverse it. You might need to turn the paper around a little bit to help you. Maybe I should have chosen smaller paper. Okay, So I'll undo that to show you what that looked like again. So it was like this, and then we basically just reverse folded it inside. Hopefully that was easier to see. And then let's turn over, and then let's reverse this upward, and then let's reverse one more time inside. Like that. And then now you want to do what you did on this side, on this side. Alright, and then now what we want to do is fold this point up to this point. And that is what the bare base should look like. Alright, now let's start working on the head. So for this, let's zoom in a little bit. And now we're going to do a lot of preference folds, fold without any real reference. So what we want to do is want to fold this top point down somewhere in the middle of this point and this point. So let's fold that down, just about there. And then let's valley fold up so that it aligns with this line right here. So let's valley fold up just so that it lines up with these 2 points. Alright, now let's unfold that, and let's open this up, and let's valley fold this inside, and one more time on the other crease. So just valley fold inside, just tucking it in. And yeah, the edges should align with the top like that, so it's nice and neat. Okay, and then now let's take one of them and valley fold it down just about here, maybe so that it makes a square, kind of. And then you want to fold this up kind of on an angle like that. And then what you want to do is open the tiny pocket So once you got the tiny pocket open, you can just squash it down. And as you may have guessed, this is going to be the eye. So let's do the same here. Let's valley fold this up so that it matches with the other one. And valley fold this also so that it matches the other one. And then let's open up the tiny pocket. And then squash it. It's easier if you have smaller hands. So that it should look like that. And then what you want to do is just fold this flat behind, but just leaving a little bit of a gap. Maybe, yeah, like that much is good. Make sure that it aligns with the center crease on the back. Okay. And then now, I just gotta fix that. Let's fold this. We're gonna make a fold from the center line to this point right here. And then the same on this side, from the center to this point. And then let's fold this nub behind. There, and those are the eyes. Alright, now let's work on the front legs. So let's valley fold one of them up, and then let's valley fold across. So not making it a perfect straight line, making it go up just a little bit. Maybe so that it looks, yeah, just do it like this. Do it to taste. And then mountain fold this behind. Like that. And then let's valley fold this up. And then valley fold this across, just like we did before, so that it matches the other one. And then let's mount and fold this behind. Alright, so it looks like that. And then now we want to fold the head back, because the head is kind of far from the body. That's a big neck right there. Alright, now what you want to do is, this is also kind of a preference fold, just fold, make a mount and fold. Actually, this doesn't have to be a preference fold. Let's fold between this point and this point. Make a fold that connects the two. Like that. And then let's pleat this behind the ears. So let's lift the ears up and put it all the way back so that it lines up with the back of the ears. So it should look like that. Alright, now we're going to start making the body 3D, but first we have to put a few guidelines. So what you want to do is pull out this corner flap, and you want to valley fold down, but not all the way. Just fold up to this point right here. And unfold, and then do the same on the other side. Like that. Alright, and yeah, now we're gonna make the back legs with these folds, and this makes the model 3D. So let's mount and fold along the crease that we just made. Like that. And then let's pleat it. Okay, and then let's turn over, and we want to kind of do like a half petal fold. So let's fold it like this and kind of squash at the top and fold this out maybe about halfway from this leg and this leg. Okay, and then do the same on this side. So fold on the existing pinch, I guess, and then pleat like that, and turn over, and let's do a half petal fold. Alright, so it should look like that. Alright, now let's give him a bit of a tail. So let's kind of reverse fold this inside. This is kind of just a preference, but it should sort of look like that. And yeah, make sure to always keep it nice and round. And then reverse fold it out, just a very, very little bit. Alright, and then just make a tiny little reverse fold, just to give the tail some roundness. Like that. And yeah, you can fix any little glitches in the paper like that. And you can round out the head a little bit. Just be careful about this part, because if you just fold it in half, it's gonna rip. So be mindful of that. Alright, now let's work on these legs right here. So let's open them up in the middle, like that, and then let's just crimp it like that. You want to do kind of a big crimp, like that, and then fold the point inside. So the foot should look like that, and then do the same on this side. Alright, so it should look like that. And then now let's do the back feet. So let's just unfold this one, valley fold this down, and just crimp it like that. Sorry, it's very messy. But yeah, the back leg's gonna be messy, but that's okay. And then you can mount and fold it inside just to make the foot less sharp, I guess. And then do the same on this side. I'll do it from this angle. So mount and fold down, and then bring the two creases together, kind of like a rabbit ear, and then fold in half, and fold this point inside just a little bit, like that. And then let's work on this part. So yeah, turn over, and what you want to do is kind of like a squash fold. You want to push this inside and let the crease extend up like that. So it used to look like this, and then it kind of moves over to this side. And do the same here. So it looks like that. And let's recurve the body. And then the last step is just to work on the ears a little bit. So again, I'm just going to curve this a little bit more. You want to be constantly curving to make it a nice round bear. Okay, and then let's work on this ear. So let's pleat it just a little bit, like that. And then let's reverse fold inside, just to make the ears round. Like that. That looks nice. And then do the same on this ear. Pleat it. And then reverse fold the point inside, trying to make it even with the other one. Like that. And yeah, you can just fix it up a little bit. And there is our grizzly bear. I hope you're able to fold this. And yeah, in the meantime, have fun folding.